Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XRP from your Trust wallet to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's essential to stay updated on secure transfers, and I'll walk you through this step by step to make it straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet installed on your device and an Uphold account set up. You'll also need some XRP in your Trust wallet to transfer. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XRP token. Look for the Send button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the correct network. For XRP, it's the XRP Ledger network, so ensure that's selected to avoid any errors. Step 2. Now, head over to your Uphold account on their website or app. Go to your XRP wallet address page and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into Trust Wallet to ensure the funds go to the right place. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. I recommend starting small for your first transfer to test things out. Review the transaction details, including fees, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in Uphold, depending on the network. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check for common problems such as incorrect addresses or insufficient funds. And there you have it. That's how you securely send XRP from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. Always prioritize security in crypto, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.